Hello everyone and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing slow cooker ranch pork chops, and these are so very yummy and so very easy. You will need one package of the classic ranch salad dressing and recipe mix, a can of cream of chicken soup, 1/4 cup of water. You will also need a package of at least 4 boneless pork chops. You can do in bone if you would like. And of course you're going to need your crock pot. So super easy, super simple. I'm going to start off by taking a bowl and I'm going to put in the cream of chicken soup in the bowl. I'm going to add that ranch dressing mix to this bowl as well. Dump all of that in there, and then I'm going to add the 1/4 cup of water to this mix as well. And the next thing to do is mix that all together, and once you have all that mixed well, it's time to move on to the next step. So this is what it looks like. It's a thick mixture. And I have my crock pot ready, and I have sprayed this with non-stick cooking spray for easy cleanup. I'm going to just start by placing all the pork chops in the crock pot. And it's okay if you layer them on top of each other. Lay them down flat if you have the room in your crock pot. It doesn't matter. They'll cook either way. And then you layer your mixture on top. So super simple. This is very, very easy. And it literally took no time for prep. Like, it was so quick and easy. And just layer that on there. Now it is ready to start cooking. So I put my lid on there. I'm going to cook these on low. And this will be 6 to 7 hours on low. If you choose to cook them on high, it's going to be 4 to 5 hours. So your choice. Now here we are 6 hours later, and the pork chops are done. These pork chops were the most tender pork chops I've ever cooked. I make them in the crock pot all the time, but not like this. This was so delicious. The meat is so tender, it literally just falls apart. And once I gave this mix on top a good stir, it thickened back up, and you just you put your pork chop on your plate, pour some of the sauce over top of it, and you're done. That is all there is to this recipe. Super simple, super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this in the kitchen video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I hope that you will try this recipe out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links.